clear, I think.
What's that?
I think I prefer to jump clear.
If anything goes wrong.
Yeah.
In the holiday. Fraser's going to go for a run in the billy cart. Big long hill. See you, Fraser. Gets a bit of a wobble up at around 40. You alright?
Yeah.
You're dead? What happened? You lose steering?
Yeah. Fuck knows.
Yeah, you're alright.
Yeah.
Bit of bark off my arm there. What happened?
Oh.
Just veered off into the bush. What were you trying to do?
I was trying to fucking...
Slow down.
Yeah.
Take your hand off the wheel.
I was getting really bad speed wobbles. The front wheels are going like this. And I must have been going over 10 k's an hour.
No, you're doing 45.
Was I? That was funny as fuck. You can't run.
You went straight over the handlebars. You landed over there.
There's the steering hold